Howdy everybody, welcome back, and today's offering in the world of radio repairs is nice little cream Phillips. It's a Minstrel. I can't remember the model number, but they were produced in 1952 and looks like, I was going to say plastic case, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, I think it is. I don't think it's Bakelite. But anyway, really basic stuff, you know. There's our dial tuner and, oh yeah, on-off switch and volume control. Alright, and it's missing a badge there, but not to worry, I have one. So right at the end I'll glue that on there. It should look pretty spiffy. Alright, I'm going to get the cover off and we'll have a look inside and see what we've got to play with. Okay, screws are all off, and let's slide this out. And come on. Somebody's changed the power cord on it. That's certainly not original. No, yeah, we've tried to fix that up. Bit of tape, didn't work. So, yeah, we'll glue that on. Right, let's, tiny little thing. And what do we got? 4 valves, everything looks pretty good, and a great big whopping capacitor can in there with 3 capacitors in it, 224s that I can read, and I don't think there's anything else, not sure, got this IF can in the way, we'll work that out. Let's have a look underneath. Put it this way. And we've got the original, I think everything's original. Certainly, oh, there's one of those brown turds in there, those caps I call brown turds, and this one's actually got the paper around it, that's good. A waxy, another waxy there, another one there, and electrolytic as well. Alright. I'll get this chassis out and we can start working on it. Well, here it is out of the case, and I had a look around and I saw the cap can is it's got 224 electrodes in it, and that's fine. That's what the schematic says. But there's an 8 microfarad here that's joined up to the can in some way, shape or form. So if I've got the right schematic, which I'm pretty sure I do, there's no mention of an 8 microfarad, so maybe one of the 24s has been disconnected and I put an 8 in its place. Don't know. But first things first, to get it out I have to snip the speaker wires, and I'm going to just test the output transformer and speaker, and they're in there somewhere. There's a brown wire there, which I can see is coming from the output tranny, and the red wire goes there to the cap can, and I can attach it through here somewhere. There's a little resistor that's attached to it. So, cool. That should work, hopefully. Yep, that's all good. Alright, and one thing I didn't figure out what the rectifier valve is, so I'll find that out and I'll check out the pins. And what have we got here? How many? I'll just have a quick look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections, so 2 will be header, 2 will be the plate, and the last one will be the cathode, I would expect. Alright, I'll find out what that valve is. Okay, well I checked out the valve and it's got EL84 printed on it, and wasn't in my book, so went onto the net, checked it out, and an EL84, according to the radio, or the Valve Museum, is a output valve amplifier. Huh? Okay, anyway, I've that's as far as I got. I'm going to assume at this point that the valve's working, and going by this, and I've drawn a little diagram of the pinouts, what I think they are, and it's a 9-pin valve, and I'm saying that pins 3 and 4 are the heater. So 1, 2, 3, we'll do number 4 first because I can get to that easier, and then number 3. Right, okay. So, pardon me, let's just zoom back a little bit. Let's give it a bit of power and see what we get. Check the AC voltage. Oh yeah, okay, 3 volts there, so that looks to be correct. And the plates, or the plates, should be 6 and 8. So where are we? Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 2 green wires coming from the transformer. Okay, and give it some mains power. Yep, looks to be correct. It's all fine, and the dial globe's working as well, so that's all good. And that leaves pin number 2 to be the cathode. Okay, cool. Well, this is going to be tight. As I said, I've got to work out why there's an 8 in there. Has it been put in there by the factory, or has somebody else done it? So, tight fit, and this is going to take a while. So I'm going to get to work on these caps and change them, and then we can give it a test. So I've got the filter caps in, there and there, and we're ready to test. So just hook up my antenna. Oh, come on. There we go. And get that speaker hooked up. Where are we? There. And where's the other one? Goes there. And as you can see, the output tranny's just all hooked up and just jumping it all in together. And we're ready. We're ready. Hope this works. Let's give it some power. And we've got the globe light on. Alright, so take it up slowly. It's 100 volts of main power. No smoke yet. Current limiter's looking good. Let's bring it up to 150 volts. No, I should probably be monitoring the filter caps, but assuming they're going to work. So let's bring it up to 200 volts of mains. To 230 volts, that should be enough. Oh yeah, noise.
Yeah, welcome to the weekend. Mark Fennell is my name, and I will be keeping you company over the next 2 hours, bringing you some...
Working across 18 clubs is quite extraordinary. So you bring that down to a club level, you're living with the people you're actually working with.
That's not too bad. Cool. What if the on-off switch works? Oh, it does work. Cool. All right. That's good. You know, one thing I really don't like working on these little Phillips chassis. They're just so tiny, teeny weeny, and anyway, radio's working. Good. So again, It's going to be this looks to be straightforward. So I've got the waxies. I'll change all those out, and we'll come back and we'll listen to the sound. Hopefully it's improved, and it was pretty good to begin with. So I'll start on that. Here we go, and all the caps have been done, and since I was on a roll, I thought, well, you know, I did the resistors as well, and checked them all, and one was double, over by double. That one there should be a 50k, and it was like 106k. But the others are all spot on, so I'm just going to leave them there. And hey, let's give it a test. Because in this case I was so confident with myself, I thought, no, it's going to work. And let's bring the power up. Hopefully it's going to be fine.
The 2022 NFL Premiership season. We're gonna be kids.
Cool.
And friends just
Not bad at all. Cool. Well, I mean, look, it's not much of a radio, really. I mean, it's cute looking and all that. Circuit-wise, I mean, 1952, I think I said. And, you know, they've just made it smaller, less components in there. Well, there's not a lot in there, really. That's what was happening, I guess, with the radios, trying to cut production costs. But it's still a great little radio. Well, this, again, another easy one. And it's good to have them, isn't it? You just get to work and make it go, and then slowly work your way through. But anyway, that's it for this one. I'll get the output tranny soldered up and put it back in, get it in this case, and give it back to the owner. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll be back very, very soon. Take care, everybody.